Hey, what's up Jeep gang? Today we've got a small wax video for you. We've got three different brands that we're going to be comparing. We've got F11, Torque Detail, and Shine Armor, and we're going to be comparing them on red and white. So let's get started. Alright, so we just marked the boxes that we're going to have it. So we're going to have F11, Torque Detail, and then the Shine Armor, and then we'll just have boxes, and we're starting with the Jeep, and then we move on to the Kia. Alright, so we've got the blue tape taped on both of the hoods. We're going to be doing F11 on this left side, Torque Detail in the middle, and then the Shine Armor on the right side on both cars. On all of the bottles, it'll have the directions, follow those, and put them on. Alright, so we just put on the first layer. We buffed it nice and good. Did it on both cars. We're going to let it sit for a little bit and then come out and do a good second layer. After you apply it with the one microfiber towel, it'll be nice and damp. So you're going to want to grab a new one to dry it off and really polish it to how you want it to look. Alright, so now that it's nice and dry, we've got a cup of water to see how it runs off. Water runs off, still shines, looks really good. Alright, so this time we decided to keep the tape on to see if you could really tell a difference. We've got F11 mirror shine and then Shine Armor, and then hopefully this one runs off a little bit better because it's more of a slant than the Jeep was. And this looks like the mirror shine ran off a lot easier. It's nice and dry. The F11, it's kind of still wet as well. With the Shine Armor, just a little bit. For the most part, mirror shine performed the best, and it's completely dry. Alright, after some thorough testing, the mirror shine by Torque Detail is a really good product. It helps it shine really good. It's the best to have the water run off without leaving dry spots. Really helps your car shine really well. Go check out Torque Detail, link in the description. They've got some really good products. They've got plastic restore. They've got tire darkening, so your tires can look nice and black. They've got some good soap to help clean your car, so it's a really good company, so go check them out in the description. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you don't follow us already on Instagram, Jeep_live YT.